Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to change the default email signature on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open up the Settings app, then we're going to go down to Mail, and then we're going to go down to the bottom where we can find Signature, and you can either choose to have a signature for all of your accounts or per account. Right now I just have it set for all of my accounts where at the end of all of my emails it will say sent from my iPhone. We can also change per account. So for your individual email accounts you can change the different signatures. And that's it. That is how you set an email signature on the iPhone 13 Pro.